In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download YouTube video in Telegram. Before we begin, it's important to understand one key thing. Telegram does not officially support downloading YouTube videos directly inside the app as a built-in feature. In most cases, people do this by using a Telegram bot or another downloading tool, and then saving the video so it can be viewed within Telegram. Since bot availability can change over time, the exact option you use may vary, but the overall process is usually very similar. To get started, open the official Telegram app on your phone or device. Make sure you're using the real Telegram application and that you're signed in properly, because this helps everything work smoothly. Once you're on the main screen, look for the search icon, which is usually shown as a small magnifying glass near the top of the app, and tap on it. In the search bar, type the name of a YouTube downloader bot. Examples can include bots such as YouTube, downloader bots, or video saving bots, although availability may vary depending on your region or the current status of the bot. When you see a suitable result, tap on the bot to open the chat. After the bot chat opens, tap the Start button. This activates the bot and allows it to begin accepting commands or links from you. If the bot provides a short introduction or a list of instructions, take a moment to read it, because some bots may have slightly different behavior even though the main process is the same. Next, go to YouTube and copy the link of the video you want to download. Then return to Telegram, open the bot chat again, and paste that YouTube link into the message field. Send the link just like you would send a normal message. Now, wait for the bot to process the video. This may take a few moments depending on the size of the video, the speed of the bot, or your internet connection. Once processing is complete, the bot should give you an option to download the video. Tap Download Video when it appears. After that, the video will be saved inside Telegram, allowing you to watch it there. If needed, give it a little time to finish loading completely before opening it. As a final tip, if one bot doesn't respond or no longer works, try another available downloader bot, since these services can sometimes go offline or change. And always be careful when using third-party bots, especially when sharing links or files.